Hello friends, today we will discuss the phases of teaching as described by Jackson. So these phases will help us to understand the teaching process comprehensively. There are three phases of teaching. First is pre-active stage of teaching. In this phase, the teacher plans teaching process before entering the classroom. He prepares himself for taking the class. The teacher defines the objectives of the lesson based on students' prior knowledge, which is also called entry behavior, class level, age, mental abilities, and other relevant factors. It involves selecting and organizing the content to be taught. The teacher considers various aspects such as the purpose of teaching, students' learning process, and the context. This phase is also known as the teaching planning stage. During this stage or pre-active stage, the teacher prepares the lesson plan, studies relevant literature, and engages in discussion with others. It is a proactive and preparatory phase for effective teaching. Second one is interactive phase or interactive stage. This phase occurs during the actual teaching process when the teacher interacts with students. It includes three key components. First is presentation. The teacher presents the content to students. Second is interaction. The teacher engages with the students through questioning, discussions, and activities. Third is feedback. The teacher provides feedback to students based on their responses and performance. This stage is dynamic and involves continuous communication between teacher and student. So it is the heart of the teaching process where learning takes place. Then comes the third phase or third stage, that is post-active stage or phase of teaching. After completing the teaching process, the teacher enters the post-active stage. In this phase, the teacher reflects on the effectiveness of the lesson. The teacher evaluates whether the objectives were achieved and identifies the areas for improvement. It involves analyzing students' performance, assessing the impact of teaching strategies, and considering modification for future lessons. The post-active stage contributes to professional growth and enhances teaching effectiveness. So we should remember that these phases are interconnected and essential for successful teaching.